sleep. Wake up.
Buga. Collect your money.
Collect your money. Wake up. Let me see you. Let me see you.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time here, kindly don't hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So that was so much of your time. Let's get right into the gist of today. So guys, you all know that the issue between the show organizer and Kizz was resolved and everything is in order now, and Kizz will be performing tonight. But before his performance, Kizz actually arrived at the venue to do some sound check and rehearsals for the song he's going to be performing tonight in Tanzania. So guys, I'm going to be playing the video footage of Kizz sound check and rehearsals in Tanzania at the venue, and this sound check and rehearsal took place earlier this morning and the people were really excited. So Kizz will be actually performing 11 p.m. Tanzanian time tonight. So guys, don't forget to turn on that notification bell and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the full performance. So guys, enjoy this video clip. I'll see you towards the end.
So let's do the tights in a white one. Maybe tights in a white one. Baby, when you look at them, what's the look at you? Maybe tights in a white one. Maybe tights in a white one. Baby, girl, when you look at.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm sure Kizz is really going to kill it tonight, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's been your boy Mark Jameson. I'll see you guys some other time. Peace out.